Hello there, I'm Otávio Pitaluga, CNO, Chief Networking Officer of TechTech and Networking Winner. We coined the term CNO, Chief Networking Officer, on Wikipedia in 2007. We congratulate the ladies for the International Women's Day today, and we chose this date to announce our program Ask CNO, which are video pills that we will post every day in Portuguese and in English on social media. Follow us in our channels, namely LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We will discuss CNO concept, business networks management methodology, our daily cases, and also answer questions that will be posted to us on social media. Spread the word around, invite your friends, participate, challenge us. It will be a wonderful learning experience. Once again, congratulations for the International Women's Day. Thank you so much.